this is, I believe, week 4. I've lost track of the weeks a bit. I'm going to run through it once, just showing the whole thing, then cover a couple pieces that I've refined with direction from Sifu and from some of the other students. And then we'll look specifically at the new stuff, which there's not too much of it, so it's mostly refining. Back up to that was not right. That's the footwork. Alright, so as you saw there, I did make a mistake on the thrust. My foot timing was not correct the first time. I'd back up and do it again. A couple other places that did change a bit, just refinements that I'd missed earlier. Near the beginning, actually let me switch back out to here. Near the beginning, there's box the ears chop. Switch it around so you can see. We do the box the ears, come out, and chop. This is already leading into the draw. There's not a second step here like I have been doing. You just come in, up, down, through. It's always a straight line. It comes up, and then on the next strike up, the offhand moves over here, which I have not always been doing, and then it can kind of lead that cut. Next one slices outwards, which is something I wasn't quite doing right, and then it comes in, does that. See, there's a step there. This is the one that I missed here. There's one more step before this lunge. And then here, there's some interesting hand movements, which I'm going to switch over to the other side for that. So So there's some fun hand movements that occur right there. After back here, your weight's on the back leg. You're going to be lifting this, bringing this foot in together. It's kind of a clacking. It's a clack at the same time. It's cutting the knee. So you're out here, cut the knee. The next move looks like that. The tricky part is that the shorthand and the offhand move in the same direction. So first, you can't see it, but the left foot turns out. And then these guys move together to get to here. Now I found this really difficult, totally backwards. Obviously to do it, this hand has to go low and then come up, which is one trick that I was given. The other trick I found really helpful before filming this was to not just do it in the forward direction. We know what this looks like. We know where we want to be. So you can do it backwards. Have the two hands move together in the way that makes sense to you, and that tells you about where you need to release this hand to do that the way you want to do it. So you can do whatever adjustments make sense for your body to make that behave. Then of course they spread. I don't know where I need to do this, so I'll run with it. So once they spread, right foot crosses slightly. I will do it the other direction so you can see better. So I just got to here, and the right foot crosses, and there's a bit of a tilt, which I maybe will show on the other one. And then there's a twist. You slide in and you get up on one leg, reaching more, and that gives you a chance to do that one, which is more deadly, but a little shorter. I'll do that out here. You play nice with the candy. Yeah, you play nice. Okay. So I end up, after a strike, come back, whole side moves at once, release that hand, sword and offhand move together, hey, now I tilt a bit, go under, back, and in. And then there's a circle, a strike, which is familiar, but it gave me a lot of trouble. I want to share what helped me. So this could be mirrored to you, so I'm going to use terms inside and outside based on the way I'm holding it. So this side is the inside, because that's the inside, that's where my hand's coming from. The outside's the opposite of where my hand is. So when we finish that strike, and we are here, the easiest way I found to get the feeling right is using the waist to do all the turns. We'll describe it more out here. Use the waist to raise the inside edge. Let you cut up top. And then you keep twisting, and then you cut the bottom with the outside edge of the blade until you get about to that point. And then you cut across. And that's what I picked up. Obviously, still going. We'll see how things keep working.